Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Are you looking for a simple way to earn money from home using your typing skills? In this video, we will show you the best online typing jobs you can do from home. We will also show you where to find these jobs and how to apply for them. Let's get started. There are three main types of typing jobs you can find online. They are database jobs, content creation jobs, and specialist typing jobs. Each one offers different types of tasks. You can choose the one that suits your skills and your schedule. Let's start with database jobs. These jobs usually involve entering information into spreadsheets, databases, or forms. One of the most common database jobs is data entry. In a data entry job, you may be asked to type numbers, names, addresses, or other information into a system. Another database job is market research data collection. This may include typing answers from surveys or organizing information from customer interviews. You do not need advanced skills for these jobs. You just need to be accurate and fast. To find these jobs, go to websites like Indeed.com. In the search bar, type data entry or market research data collection. Use filters to choose remote jobs only. You can apply directly through the site by submitting your resume and a short message about your interest in the job. Now let's look at content creation jobs. These jobs include copy typing, writing, and blog formatting. In copy typing, you may be given a handwritten or scanned document that you need to retype into a digital format. In writing, you may be asked to create short articles or social media posts. Blog formatting means taking written content and placing it into a blog post with correct spacing, titles, and headings. These jobs often pay more than simple data entry because they need more attention to detail and better English skills. To find these jobs, go to Upwork.com. Upwork is a freelancing platform. You will need to create a free profile with your skills and work history. Then, search for typing, writing, or blog formatting jobs. Apply to jobs that match your level. Make sure to write a short and polite message explaining why you are a good fit. Now let's talk about specialist typing jobs. These are jobs like writing customer service emails or working as a virtual assistant. In customer service typing, your task is to respond to messages from customers. You will need to type clearly and professionally. As a virtual assistant, you may need to schedule meetings, write updates, or take notes from phone calls. These jobs often offer long-term work and steady pay. However, they may require better communication skills and the ability to follow instructions. You can find these jobs on Upwork.com as well. Search for customer service typing or virtual assistant jobs. Choose entry level if you're just starting out. So, where can you find typing jobs online? The best websites to check are LinkedIn.com, Indeed.com, and Upwork.com. On LinkedIn, you can create a profile and follow companies that post remote job offers. Use keywords like typing jobs, data entry, or remote writing jobs. On Indeed, search for remote typing jobs and use filters to choose your job type and pay rate. On Upwork, create a strong profile and apply regularly to new job posts. Before you apply, make sure your resume is up to date. Mention your typing speed, accuracy, and any experience you have working from home. If you don't have experience, offer to do one small job for a low price to build your profile. Now, if you want to increase your income without taking on another job that drains you, there's a better way. It's called high-ticket digital marketing, and it's making ordinary people a full-time income within 1 year of starting. I took a 5-day video course to learn these skills and get my business set up within a week. If you're sick of working too much and still being broke, this could completely change your life. Click the link in the description to get started.